Virtual reality is an interactive, computer generated environment that immerses users by allowing for auditory, visual, and sensory interaction and feedback. VR is transforming the business world today, providing new opportunities that had yet to be explored before this emerging technology. A few areas PwC can implement virtual reality are in the training of new hires and service delivery centers, as well as reducing travel time and costs.
Virtual reality creates a new space that can revolutionize the training process. A virtual reality enabled training with standardized training received in firms across the world. It would also create an element of training that tends to be lost interaction. With virtual reality, this training process could implement real life situations in a safe environment where the trainees can gain hands on experience and not be afraid to make mistakes.
As for implementation at the SDC level, a uniform interactive training simulation would educate our SDC associates enough to be able to take on demanding tasks without having to have our senior associates walk them through the procedures. These trainings would increase trust and the level of performance across the audit, creating a higher quality of service provided.
Virtual reality training can also educate young professionals in a way that has not existed before. For example, a professor at NC State used virtual reality to educate his students on how to count inventory. He took the students to a virtual beer warehouse and taught them basic inventory procedures. His students later said they felt more confident and educated than their peers when they were in the field. As a new hire in the firm, individuals can constantly update their digital ability with available tools in the Digital Hub. PwC can continually update the resources available to staff to ensure we are at the forefront of technology. Incorporating virtual reality with industry specific trainings has the potential to educate our staff when they encounter a problem while actively on a client.
Processes like inventory counts and other fieldwork could potentially be performed remotely when technologies such as drones, robotics, Internet of Things, and augmented reality are utilized in combination with virtual reality. Incorporating data and other forms of graphical overlays into immersive VR views provided by on site tools like drones and robotics can enable the user to record observations and operate in remote locations without ever leaving the office.
Although VR headsets are cordless, that doesn't mean they come without strings attached. As VR spreads and streamlines activities like purchasing and bank withdrawals, potential breaches of personal and client data will also increase. PwC will have to implement VR security training to ensure users take precautions to protect confidential information. PwC will also have to be wary of how VR will affect client relationships. While some clients will appreciate cutting costs by not having to fly out PwC professionals, other clients will think VR is impersonal and prefer face to face interactions. Therefore, PwC will have to employ VR on a case by case basis to optimize value delivered.